quashed the disciplinary authority's decision to convict the 4 applicants, the students who held placards during the 1MDB town hall last year. The reason for the decision is because the university has not complied with Rule 54 of the Discipline of Students Rules 1999, whereby the disciplinary authority is required to find that there is a case to answer first before it questions the students or the students are allowed to give evidence. But what has happened here is that the university, before finding a case to answer, they've already questioned and asked and cross-examined the students to clarify what is this video about, what is this photograph about, which the judge believes is a form of procedural non-compliance and is a ground to quash the university's decision. We are very happy that the judge's decision today is incongruent with the expectation for universities to comply with its own rules in conducting disciplinary proceedings. We are also happy that it reaffirms that what our students did at that particular day was a freedom of expression. We believe that universities should be a place where critical discourse happens, dissent happens, and even controversy happens, because if you don't allow this to happen and you conform students to ask robotic questions to esteemed speakers, then you really have to ask yourself what kind of students that you're trying to produce to lead Malaysia one day. So universities should set a higher standard and should give a platform for students to discuss anything under the sun without fear of being punished like what the 4 applicants here have experienced. I think that's all.
What are the prayers that you saw that the court did?
Right, so the other 2 prayers which the court did not allow, firstly is that the university's decision is a breach of freedom of expression under Article 10. So the court did not saw fit to allow that prayer. The other prayer is also to invalidate several provisions in the disciplinary rules, which we say allow the disciplinary authority to be the investigator, the prosecutor, and also the adjudicator. So we are saying it's unfair and against natural justice because the same body is the one that brings charges, that investigates, and finally decides the matter. But unfortunately, the court did not award that particular prayer, but only allowed the prayer to quash.
So decision of the DB quash?
Disciplinary authority quash.
What sort of punishment are they facing?
They face a punishment of a fine initially by the disciplinary authority, and then it went up to
The
appeal.
appeal board, it was reduced to a stern warning.
Yeah, amaran keras. Yeah, but we are saying that this court proceeding should go on because there will be a disciplinary record when they graduate later, which would affect their future. So we insist on proceeding with this to stand up for what's right.
So with this decision, that means there's no record in their, there's no
Yeah,
disciplinary record.
there's no
They've
disciplinary
done
record.
nothing wrong.
They've done nothing wrong.